Hey folks, I just ordered four of these 30-watt LED lights because I used to have two of these for my front porch as a security, and one of them went kaput, so I decided to order a whole bunch of these that are 30 watts. These were 10 watts, and I replaced two of these 10 watts with 30 watts that I'm gonna show how strong they are and the power draw on. I've already wired the negative side of each light to the battery, so I'm gonna connect. You can see it has a very bright light. I'm gonna connect the 10 watts and you can compare them as far as the brightness. I get my amp meter. It's zeroed. Okay, the 30 watt is drawing about 2 amps. The 10 watts is drawing about 0.3 amps. These are connected, the new ones are connected to the light sensor and the motion detection sensor that came on at night. Here they are. And there's the motion detector and light sensor. But it's a big difference in the light and the area that they cover at night. You can tell the difference. I'm happy with the 30 watts lamp, and the 10 watt wasn't as great as these ones, and I was surprised by the performance of them. This 2 amps draw on the 30 watts. And there's like 0.4 amps draw. It's a big difference, but it's worth it. I ordered 4 of these, 4 of the 30 watts, in amount of $26, but they're nice and thin versus these ones here, the 10 watts one. So that's what I got right now. Try them up.